Hi there! Well, this is a quick short video updating about the Amazon Prime Videos app. Now, all of you who have the Mi TVs old or new know that Amazon Prime Videos app is not officially supported. But now the Amazon Prime Videos comes support with Chromecast, which means you can use your Android mobile phone or an iPhone and cast your Amazon Prime videos directly to your Mi TVs. But there's a catch. It works only with the new Mi TV Pros that are running Android TV or any other TV, smart TV that is running the Android TV OS. This will work on the old Mi TVs when we get the Android TV update, which hopefully will be very soon. But you can still use it on the old Mi TVs with an app. I've already made a video, but the only problem with that app is that you cannot scroll back and forward through the movie. I know that's a bummer, but as of now, the app works. So now while playing Amazon Prime videos via Chromecast, you can add or remove subtitles, you can change the audio, you can pause and resume, you can scroll back and ahead. It just works perfectly fine. So I'll show you a quick demo. Now I know most of you already know about it, but there are still many who don't. So I think it's still wise enough to make a video and inform everyone about it. So those of you who are getting angry and saying, oh my god, we already know about it, itna late video banate ho. Sorry. I'm just trying to share this information with people who don't know. So for those who already know, great. For those who don't know, welcome and watch the video ahead. But before that, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Let's jump into the demo. So for this demo, we're using a Mi TV 4X Pro 55 inches, which is running the Android TV OS. Chromecast is always turned on by default. There is no way to turn it off, which is great, so you don't need to worry. Next thing, we're going to make sure that the TV and the phone are running on the same Wi-Fi network. So as you can see, the Wi-Fi here is Virus Hub, and on my smartphone is Virus Hub 2. Next, what we do is we go on the home page, go into Amazon Prime app, and right here at the bottom you will find the Chromecast icon. Click on that and you'll see Android TV, and on the screen you will see Android TV loading. Now this will not work unless the phone and TV are running on the same Wi-Fi network. Once it says ready to cast, pick your movie or video. I'm selecting Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. You can start. I'm just resuming. And there you go. Plays perfectly fine. No drop frames, no lag. Super clear and super fun to watch. Now coming to the app, you can pause it from here. And you can resume from here. You can press these three dots. You can even control the volume. There you go. Volume can be controlled from here. You can change the audio language, the regional languages, English, Hindi, everything. Coming to subtitles, you can turn off the subtitles. There, the subtitles are turned off. And if you want to turn on the subtitles, you just come here. And there are the subtitles back. You can also scroll between the video. You can move forward and back. There you go. And you can move ahead as well. So no problem. The app just works perfectly fine with Chromecast. And if once you're done, come to close, click on this and click on stop casting. And you'll be back to Android TV. Let's check out on the iPhone. Similarly, on the iPhone, we're going to make sure we are on the same Wi-Fi network as our television is on. And then we go to Prime Videos, and down there we see the Chromecast logo. You press that, you see Android TV. Come to the movie name, click resume or play or start, whatever you like. And there you go. Similarly, you can scroll ahead and back using your iPhone. There you go. You can pause, you can play, you can add, remove subtitles, you can change audio, you can add, remove subtitles, you can increase the volume. Everything just works on both Android and iOS with the Amazon Prime Video app now. So I hope this video was helpful. For those who want to know about the Android TV update for the old Mi TVs, Test builds are expected this week. I'll be making more videos about them. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. You don't want to miss that one. I'll also be telling you about the stable update, when it will be coming to all of the old Me TVs. So don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for many more videos like these. Until next time, cheers.